Hello everybody. Today I'm launching my affiliate marketing career on Facebook, and I would appreciate if you would just like my video so I could start to use Facebook as my platform. My name is Topcoat, and I'm with HarleyLifestyle.com. Here today I'm just trying to show you that it doesn't have to be 90 degrees to wash your bike, car, truck, whatever. It was about 45 degrees when I washed my bike today. Used hot water because it was cold outside. And here I'm washing my 2011 Electric Glide Ultra Classic, and I'm using my GoPro Black 7 camera to videotape it. And what I'm doing here is I'm using a poly wash that I got in a kit from Topcoat. Supposedly, if you use this first, it bonds the Topcoat product to the bike itself, and you don't need a whole lot of it to wash, like 2 ounces per gallon, and that's more than enough just to wash the bike. Of course, you're going to be washing a vehicle, you need a little bit more. But wow, look at me go. That's what happens when you give an old guy an energy drink. So for your convenience, I kind of fast forward the video because I'm sure you all been able to wash your car, and you don't need a video to do it. And here I'm applying the Topcoat product itself. It was very easy to apply. You just basically wipe it on, and in a few minutes it dries. You just wipe it back off. And I was really amazed at how smooth the paint became. The rag just slid right over the top of it. And as you can see, I did the chrome. I should have done the black on it, but this was, like I said, it was a cold day. It was getting colder, so I just thought I'd just do the chrome and the paint. And as you can see, it turned out pretty good. Again, this was in February, so I found a nice warm day and just decided to just show you guys how easy you can do this. Everything shined real nice. I didn't do the seat on the kind of sliding around on it, but everything else you can do on it. You can do the vinyl, you can do the rubber, the windshield, the headlights. All in all, I'm very happy with it, and I'll be using this. I heard some reviews there that it doesn't last that long. Well, we're going to find out. Going to drive around, see how it works, and if it starts not to beat up or whatever, I'll be making a second video to let you know if it's good, bad, or indifferent, and we'll go from there. Again, my name is Topcoat. I'm with HarleyLifestyles.com, and you'll hopefully be seeing a lot more of me. I appreciate you watching the video, and again, if you'd be so kind, just give me a like. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, and see you guys. Take care.